Hey, what's going on? So, I've been having this issue for a while now. When I want to download my clips from my Twitch stream, I want to whack them onto social media, TikTok, whatever. A lot of them will download successfully to my gallery, but a few of them have been saving as like an unsupported file type. So I want to go through how I'm fixing that in a minute because I can't see much online. So all these are good apart from why is he there? Clip rage. So we'll pause that. So in the bottom three dots, bottom right three dots, click on that and we want to download the clip. And then we want to download the portrait version. And you can see at the top there, we're screen recording, but we also are downloading Why Is He There? Download complete. And it won't be in my gallery where my normal downloads are. So on Android and Samsung, it'll be the same on iOS. Go to your files, and it will be either in your downloads, or you can see here in the top left, it's saved as like a random file type. So we'll click on that. And you see it's there. So when I click on Why Is He There, which is one I just downloaded, it will say search the Play Store. You have no apps that can open this type of file. You try to search in the Play Store, it doesn't give you any recommendations. Even if you try to find out what the file's called, what file type is, you go to details and there's nothing there. So the way to fix this issue is you want to hold on to it, or however you get onto these options. You go to more and you want to rename it. So you go to rename, keep the title, whatever it is, and all you want to do is put .mp4 at the end, and then rename it. And it's actually, you want to change the file extension. The file extension will be changed. This may cause a file to become unusable. In fact, it's quite the opposite. So we'll change that. And there we go. My video is now playable. And it is there in all its glory. It's the same quality as it was when it was downloaded.
Crouch in the middle of the ground.
And that is it. It's simple as that. Same with these ones. This is the same. This praying to the siege gods. So we will do that again. More, we're going to rename, and then we're going to just do, we're going to do dot, give me a second, there you go, dot mp4, rename, change, praying to the siege gods is now working. So yeah, it's as simple as that. Let me know if this video helped you out. Let me know if it's different on iOS or anything apart from Android, and I'll make an update, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be the same elsewhere. There you go. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this was of use to somebody. Yeah, like and subscribe. Follow me on Twitch. Later.